Welcome to the future of smart living. InvisibleBed introduces its groundbreaking new offering, a bed that works seamlessly with Alexa to transform your everyday routines. Begin your journey by brightening your space. Just say, "Alexa, lights on," and watch as the room fills with a warm, inviting glow. As the day winds down, transition into relaxation. A simple command, "Alexa, sleep mode," lowers your bed, creating the perfect haven for rest. When it's time to unwind with a movie, say, "Alexa, movie mode." Instantly, the concealed TV rises from its closet, positioning itself right in front of you for an immersive viewing experience. And when the movie is over, simply say, "Alexa, close TV," and watch as the TV retracts smoothly back into its hidden closet, leaving your room uncluttered and serene. InvisibleBed and Alexa bring you an unparalleled smart living experience, where every command crafts your ideal environment. Illuminate, relax, entertain, and work with effortless elegance. Welcome to the future of personalized comfort.